Imagine opening your Kindle and realizing your next book is completely free. No credit card, no shady hacks, no scams. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a Kindle gift certificate, including free and legit ways most people don't even know exist. If you love reading, or you want to give someone the perfect Kindle gift, you do not want to miss this. Quick heads up. If you've ever searched free Kindle gift card or Amazon Kindle gift certificate online, you've probably seen sketchy sites that look tempting. I'll show you which methods are 100% legit and which ones you should avoid completely. First, let's clear something up. A Kindle gift certificate is basically an Amazon gift card that can be used to buy Kindle ebooks, Kindle Unlimited subscriptions, audiobooks via Kindle, and even Kindle devices in some cases. So if you're wondering, can I use an Amazon gift card for Kindle? Yes, absolutely. And in a second, I'll show you the fastest way to get one instantly. The quickest and easiest way to get a Kindle gift certificate is directly through Amazon. Here's how it works. Go to Amazon, search Amazon Kindle gift card, choose digital delivery, enter your email or the recipient's email, and it's delivered instantly. This is perfect if you need a last-minute Kindle gift, or you want a Kindle gift certificate emailed instantly. But what if you want one without paying full price? That's where things get interesting. Now let's talk about free and legit methods. No scams, no fake generators. Method number 1, rewards and survey apps. Some trusted platforms let you earn Amazon gift cards that work perfectly for Kindle, like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Fetch Rewards. You earn points by answering surveys, shopping online, watching short videos. Then you redeem those points for an Amazon gift card, which you can use for Kindle books. This is one of the most searched methods for how to get free Kindle gift cards, and it actually works. Method number 2, credit card rewards. Many people don't realize this, but some cashback and rewards credit cards let you redeem points for Amazon gift certificates. If you already spend money anyway, this is basically free Kindle credit. Method number 3, promotions and giveaways. Amazon occasionally runs Kindle promotions, Prime reading bonuses, limited time offers that include gift credits, and during holidays, Kindle gift certificate deals become even more common. Next, let me warn you about something that could cost you your Amazon account.
If a website promises unlimited free Kindle gift cards, instant Kindle gift certificate generator, or ask for your Amazon login, run, because these are the fastest ways to lose your Amazon account, get your email compromised, or fall for a scam. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. If you're buying for someone else, the best option is digital Amazon gift card. Delivered by email with a custom message, it works on all Kindle devices, and the recipient can choose any book they want.
So now you know exactly how to get a gift certificate for Kindle, whether you want it fast, free, or as a gift. If this video helped you, hit like so more readers can find it. Subscribe for more simple how-to guides and comment below. What's the next Kindle book you want to read? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.